How to transfer money between your region's bank accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to move money between your own region's bank account, well here is how you can do it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from the dashboard just click transfer in the top menu and then select between my accounts and choose the account to transfer from and the account to transfer to. And after that, you simply have to enter the transfer amount and choose the date like today or schedule it for later. And after that, you just have to review your transfer details carefully and then click submit or confirm transfer. And once you do that, you'll see a confirmation message and you can check the updated balance in your accounts. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money between your region's bank account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.